Mula ng bayuhin ng pinakamalakas na bagyo sa mundo.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
Bahagyang lumakas ang bagyong Leon.
The Philippines is experiencing a climate crisis. It is currently the most tropical cyclone visited country in the world, averaging to 20 tropical cyclones per year.